So we are on day 6 of the Airstream cleaning and renovation. We are going to...
Feels like 62.
Feels like not that many. She's crazy. We are going to take these down and put in some new curtains.
Are you about to get started? I need a pee.
Tell them all about it. I don't have a key to the house. The only thing about this is once we take this down, it'll be covering this window.
Okay, we just need to do one then. Let's do one window. I just need to get I just need to know how much I need to take off the curtains.
Plans have changed. We're now going to take these wood frames off, build the curtains within them, paint, and then reinstall. So today is not going to be quite as easy as we thought. And we're not going to get it all done today. Sometimes.
Was it recording that?
No.
Oh, you missed out. Okay, let's go home. Daphne, we're ready to go, babe.
She's lying.
What?
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Maybe I thought we were going.
No, we're taking the wood frames off.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
So much fun.
Power drill's the bomb, yo.
I didn't want to use the power drill at first because I didn't want to strip anything out, but apparently it is key.
Stripping, not always a bad thing. Take the seat off. There's a reason why we're replacing this curtain. I don't like the color.
It's definitely just the color.
So, gotta go.